What's going on, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13, and today I have another 2001 Nissan Pathfinder Headlight build. This is for a 99 to 2004 Nissan Pathfinder. What's fun about this build is I actually did the side lamp marker assembly housings, whatever you want to call them. They had big old chunks of amber right along there and also in the middle, and so opened those up and removed that. So we are all clear lensed out. Beautiful no amber reflectors, which is a big irritant of mine. This is for my favorite Canadian. He has ordered, I think we're at like a record like 5 or 6 headlight builds from me over the last 5 or 6 years. He is a long-term repeat customer. I love doing builds for him because he always likes really simple, basic things, and I can deliver simple, basic performance. So this is a Morimoto Mini D2S projector, the Apollo 2.0 flat shroud, and also a profile pivot switchback halo along the front of it. Now, Doc loves himself some amber running lights, doesn't like amber reflectors, but likes amber running lights, so this is how he intends on running it. These can be run as amber running lights. However, to be clear, these are switchback products, so generally, typically, people would be running them like this, with the white mode activated as a running light, and then the amber is used as a switchback, which is something that you would tap into the turn signal, so everything blinks amber with turn signal and then goes back to white. However, really, you can run it either way, totally up to you, however it gets wired. Now, onwards to the performance aspect of this headlight build. This is my favorite, a 50-watt standard HID setup, so it is going to be shining up on the wall like so, and be mighty bright and fantastic. Definitely something that you're going to want for your 99 to 04 Pathfinder. Pricing and product information for this entire kit and caboodle will be in the video description, so be sure to check that out. I am still running a massive backlog and closed to all new business for 2021. However, email will be in there, so feel free to email me to enter into the future build queue. This is 13. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have yourselves a wonderful day. I'll talk to you later. See you.